In my pump, my LPHW pump for the heating. Okay, we've got boiler 1 on. We can get our temperatures up soon. Okay, we have boiler number 3 on. In the previous video you may have seen it not lighting. Well, gave the burner a clean down and my brush and filed down the ionization and so on. So that's on now, so I've got 2 boilers on. So my temperature should start rising soon. I've got 1 working PRV out of 3 connected to the header, to the common header for all 3 boilers. My pressurization unit has failed. My Teddington set point, which is meant to sense that the pressure has been met and stop adding to the system. So I believe that is the issue here. But thankfully my boilers are running without the pressurization unit. There's my current system pressure. Gonna monitor it for a while. Okay, thank you for joining me. Until next time. Bye bye bye.